Welcome everyone, and I will discuss about water purification, and this is very important method for us. So what is water purifications and how it works, how we can know about water purification? Water purification is the transition of dirty, harmful water into clean, safe water. Water purification generally means freeing water from any kind of impurity it contains, such as contaminants or microorganism. Why purify water? Water is of major importance to all living things. We purify water to get rid of contaminants that can be detrimental to our health. Up to 60% of the human body is water. Therefore, the quality of water we drink is very important. The drinking water should be totally clean, pure, and free of any disease causing microbes, and that's why it should be properly treated and disinfected before using it for drinking purpose. Method of purifying water: purification of the large scale, purification of medium scale, purification of is on small scale. Purification on large scale: when source of water are rivers, stream, lakes, etc., then water is purified by coagulation, sedimentation, filtration, disinfections, storage. Purification of medium scales: when source of water are wells, spring, tanks, etc., then water is purified by the additions of bleaching powder, chloride limes, as it is cheap, easy to use, and reliable and safe. Purification of smell spell: boiling for 5 to 10 minutes kills almost all organism and remove temporary hardness. Distillations, not commonly used due to highest cost used in lab, etc. Addition of chemicals: bleaching powder 5% solution is used, dose 3 to 6 drops, contact times or on of half hour. Caloring table or halogens tables on tablet liter. Load in sodium 2 drops of 2% solins, an amount that gives just pink colorations to the water. Alum used for turbid water in a dose of zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.4 grains of water. What does the water come from? Surface water, river, stream, lakes, and reservation. Groundwater, wells. Water treatment, coagulations. Coagulation remove dirt and other particles suspended in water. Alum and other chemical are added to water to form tiny sticks particles called phloem, which attack the dirty parcel. The combination weight of the dirt and the alums become heavy enough to sink to the bottom during sedimentation. There are different kind of thing. Water treatment, sedimentations. Caught parcels fall by gravity through water in settings tank and accumulates at the bottom of the tank's cleaner. The water of much of the solid debris and clean water moves to filtration. This is some of the project that how water purification moving. Water treatment, filtration, disinfection, and storage. Disinfection: a small amount of chlorine is added or some other disinfections method is used to kill microorganisms that may be in the waters. Shortage: water is placed in a closed tank or reservation for disinfections to take place. The water then flows through pipes of the homes and the business in the community. Water from sanitation, filtration: the water passes to filtration, some made of layer of sand and carols that helps removal small particles. Water disinfection. Purpose of disinfection: to make drinking water free of any disease causes, bacteria and microbes. Method of disinfection: there are three mainly used disinfection method at large scale: chlorinations, ozonations, ultraviolet radiation. Chlorination. Chlorination is the most common cost-effective means of disinfection water in the US. The additions of a small amount of chlorine is highly effective amongst most bacteria, virus, and protozoa, but casts formed by parasites, protozoa such as cryptopodiums and uh, giardia can survive chlorine. Chlorine is applied to water in one of the three forms: element chlorine, hyalochlorine sodium, or dry chlorine, hyalochlorine. All three forms produce free chlorine in water. Ozonation. Ozone is a strong oxide and disinfection available, more effective against microbes than chlorines, but costly and difficult to monitor and control under different control. Ozonations. Ozone is generated on site of water treatment facilities by the passage dry oxygen or air through a system of high voltage electron. Ultraviolet. When UV radiation penetrates the cell wall of an organism, it damages genetic material and prevents the cells from reproducing. Nowadays, emerging technology made UV radiations to fill a place in both household and large-scale drinking water disinfection. How is UV light generated? Ultraviolet light is most typically generated from a low pressure or a medium pressure lamp generation UV light. Ultraviolet radiations. Complete cycle of water treatments, sedimentations, filtration, disinfections, storage. These are the different kind of things that we know about water. Water is the most important thing right now. We have to be very much careful about water. And we need to do more research on water purification. And the more we can do the water purification related things, we can save many people. So when we have to look at the research papers on water purifications, I'm just want to share a few specific informations specifically on the water purification research. And I just want to share with you some of the specific informations uh, from research area, specifically on water purifications. And it really help us, uh, it really help us to grow our things in an effective way. How actually we can think about water purifications, how we can help these things in an effective way, and specifically the research things how we can collaborate. Purification of drinking water with the application of natural extract. This is one of the research paper we are trying to share with you. This work has been carried out to improve the quality of drinking water of municipal supply of threatened Gwalior regions with publications of the plant extract Marizon oleifera, Araphis hyzons, Higna anguilla, Vigna mango, and drinking the water examines of treated and untreated sample water for heavy metals and microbials country was analyzed. The results show the significant decrease up to 92% of the reductions of the microbes contents. Treatment with this natural extract also help in the coagulations of the heavy metal like lead, copper, nickel, etc. Present in the treated water sample, it has been examined that seeds and leaves extract were also more effective in cleaning in sedimentations of suspended organic and inorganic matter present in samples. In these water samples, total bacteria count was found to be more than 1000 CFU per milliliter, but the total bacteria count the treated sample was reduced by 10. 95% of the heavy metal were also removed in treated sample. This work evaluate the use of plant which are an economical and eco-friendly. So there are some specific research we are observing that water treatment has, and from this water treatment related research and other things we can understand, we can grow these things and we can solve these things in an effective way. So if you have any kind of question regarding water treatment, you want to solve this problem in an effective way, you can communicate with us. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining today's session.